Good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. I am joined by the team. So we have Mr. Arshad Rana. They are from Chandrapur Works and they are located in Yamunanagar. This is Haryana. It's close to, if you are going from Delhi to Chandigarh, I think you can take that route. So पहले मैं सर आपका introduction जानना चाहूँगा सर.
My name is Ravi Sharma. मैं
And so what do you look after, sir?
चंद्रपुर वर्क्स में मार्केटिंग देख रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So your introduction, sir.
My name is Kshitij Chandra. I am director in Chandrapur Works.
Wonderful. So now it's over to you. Your introduction about your company
Yes.
and जो आप लोग green hydrogen में how you're able to contribute to Modi ji's $5 trillion economy, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, myself Arshad Rana, General Manager Marketing from Chandrapur Works. It's a very old company, 62 years old company, and previously we were in cement industry, but we are in renewable energy since last 30 years. We have a joint venture with TERI, the Energy Research Institute in Delhi.
Yes.
So we have a joint venture with this, and we are using their technology for the gasification technology. This technology, gasification technology, is being used for waste to energy projects, and these projects we are using for power generation and thermal application. And we are in this field since last 30 years, and we have supplied so many plants in Europe, UK, USA, and America, USA, and African countries also. Right now we have a concept on hydrogen technology. What we will do, through gasification we will generate power, and that power we will use in electrolyzer for
Which is the main
separation
component.
of hydrogen and oxygen. That hydrogen we will separate out and we will sell it to market, and the oxygen we will use to replace the air for gasification to improve the efficiency of the reactor.
Wonderful. श्रद्धि जी आज जैसे इन्होंने बताया
I want to add something.
yes, please.
The basic advantage of this product is like that we can use the waste, basically the RDF, which the waste like paper, plastic, and cloth, which is in dry form, that can be used to produce the hydrogen through gasification.
Wonderful.
So that's the basic objective of this plant, and it should not be we can go within a small scale as till 1 megawatt, then the biggest scale till 1 megawatt. So small gasifier can be plotted anywhere near the waste, and you can produce the hydrogen as well, power as well as the hydrogen from it.
मेरा जो सवाल था, since he said that you people have been exporting to a lot of countries,
Yeah, we are exporting. We are running
Europe,
some plants in
America, and African countries. So you're contributing like foreign exchange earner.
Yeah.
So how, what's your target now for this coming 2030? What's the target, sir?
Looking forward for a good target. Can't say anything.
So I think the team is very excited, and this is an international second event happening. Earlier the Minister of Power, Singh Saab, was there and they initiated. Then we have the solar, India is even spearheading that program. I think the best thing which has happened in last 10 years, in India there is a spirit, spirit which was there earlier. The private companies,
Yes.
They were trying to shy away. They was always talking about bureaucracy and red tape. But wo sab ab, I think it's overcome, and because of that you see new breed of entrepreneurs. अभी हम लोग वेल्सपन में भी थे, तो वेल्सपन was primarily known into textiles, but they were in 22 after Corona. उन्होंने एक giant leap लिया. So even your company, I think, is a major supplier for all this. Thank you very much, and please visit this exhibition area. This is open 11, 12, 13 September, Bharat Mandapam, Prakriti Maidan, and एक और चीज़ मैं जो पहले नहीं बोला कि you can come by metro, get down at the Supreme Court metro station, and visit the technical sessions which are happening inside the Bharat Mandapam, and this exhibition area is in hall number 14. So do visit. Thank you.